I think one way that can be very helpful is to approach this challenging time instead of having as something that we really can't control. Look at it as at potential opportunities that it presented to us. There are more opportunities to cook at home, so it may not be a bad time to explore and learn some new recipes, grocery shop both safely and in a way that leads to healthier weight. So for instance, take advantage of the curbside pickups or home delivery options from the grocery stores. When you do go grocery shopping in the store, definitely practicing social distancing, wear masks and gloves. And also I would recommend focus on the foods on the periphery of the grocery stores. Generally those tend to be more fresh, natural foods, more fresh produces, as opposed to some of the inner aisles where the foods tend to be more prepackaged or more processed. Be cautious about any fads or any fad diets or any fad programs out there, because many of them may not have scientific basis. They may not be effective, and some of them actually can potentially be harmful to your health. So really be cautious about that. And of course, if you have any difficulty, any challenges, feel free to discuss or seek help with a medical health professional as well.